about aloe vera with the fenugreek hair mask. Hi everyone! In this video, I'm adding aloe vera with the fenugreek hair mask this time. So I measured my munchkin's hair again after using fenugreek mask for a week. Stay tuned for the measurements. First, let's take a look at the benefit of aloe vera for the hair. Aloe vera leaves hold translucent gel with unbelievable healing properties. This gel is made up of around 96% of water, some organic and inorganic compounds, amino acids, vitamin A, B, C, and E, and many more. When it comes to aloe vera, it's known to have amazing benefits for skin, weight loss, and more. Did you know aloe vera is also great for hair? It keeps your hair hydrated and moisturized. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It is also a great conditioner, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff. Aloe vera has a chemical makeup similar to keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients, preventing damage. The first time I used the aloe vera with the fenugreek hair mask, I just smushed the aloe vera, so that didn't work out well because it stayed in clumps. So next time I did the hair mask, I used the blender and had the aloe vera juice and added that to the fenugreek mask along with my sinus Ayurvedic oil for my mask and just coconut oil for my munchkins. As usual, I used 1 tablespoon of lemon juice one day out of the week with this hair mask. I have the link in the description on how to make Ayurvedic oil for sinus relief for you. So I mixed the aloe vera juice, fenugreek cream, and coconut oil together and applied it to the roots of the hair and throughout the hair. Then you know the routine. Leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes and wash it away. It's as simple as that. Now here are the measurements for my munchkins after a week of trying out this fenugreek hair mask. The measurement after 1 week for my munchkin 1 is 33 centimeters. So the growth is about 5 centimeters within a week of using this mask. Without the aloe vera, that is. And munchkin 2 is 1 centimeter, so the growth is about half a centimeter. Different mask, different people, different growth. What will be the next mask? And which mask might help you for your hair? Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more informational videos. See you next time.